Good morning. I'm Shweta Raj with Srishti Singh and you are watching IMC News. We wish all our viewers a very happy Basant Panchami. Let's move to today's top headlines.
10 army personnel die as vehicle falls into gorge in Jammu and Kashmir. India absent as Donald Trump unveils Board of Peace. Odisha government imposes ban on smokeless tobacco products. IMC Dhenkanal celebrates Basant Panchami with Saraswati Puja. Dhenkanal Mahotsav returns after 8 years. India eye back-to-back wins as T20 series moves to Raipur. Indian film Homebound misses out on 2026 Oscars nomination. Now the news in detail.
10 army personnel died after a vehicle fell into gorge in Jammu and Kashmir yesterday. As per official, the vehicle went off-road after losing control. It fell into a 200-deep gorge. The accident took place on the Bhadarwah-Chamba interstate road while the vehicle was moving towards high altitude. A joint operation was held immediately in collaboration with Army and Police. The injured were taken to the Udhampur hospital for treatment.
US President Donald Trump launched his much-anticipated Board of Peace at the World Economic Forum in Davos yesterday. The Board of Peace is said to be a new international body aimed at advancing peace in Gaza and potentially other conflict zones around the world. Leaders from several nations signed the board's charter. However, India was absent from the launch ceremony despite an invitation. India has neither accepted nor declined the invitation publicly and still reviewing the proposal. The initiative has drawn mixed global reactions with several major powers also sitting out. Questions are being raised about how his new board will interact with the United Nations and existing peace mechanisms.
The Odisha government banned non-smokable tobacco and nicotine products yesterday. The products include pan masala, gutka and other chewable products sold under any label. The Global Adult Tobacco Survey says that over 42% of adults in Odisha consume smokeless tobacco. This is almost double to that of the national average.
The nation is celebrating Basant Panchami today. The festival is dedicated to Ma Saraswati, goddess of knowledge and learning. IMC Dhenkanal students too celebrated the festival with Saraswati Puja earlier today. Students and faculty offered prayers with traditional rituals reflecting a blend of culture and contemporary learning.
After 8 long years of waiting, Dhenkanal Mahotsav is back. Mahotsav started on January 20 at Palishri Mela ground and will continue till January 26. The Mahotsav highlights Dhenkanal's rich cultural heritage. It shows colorful traditional dances, soulful music, performances, beautiful handicrafts and a wide variety of local food. Every evening, artists from across the district and the state are taking the stage and entertaining the audience. More from our correspondent.
Right now we are standing at the Palli Sri Mela ground, Dhenkanal, where the Dhenkanal Mahotsav is being celebrated from 20th January to 26th January. Let's take some insights. As we enter this ground, on your left we see several stalls and cultural exhibitions from various states where people can shop for textiles, handicrafts, artifacts, commercial vehicles and much more. And on your right there are several food stalls. As we walk through the left side of the carnival ground, we can see several self-help groups setting up their stalls and shops, promoting their businesses. Let's talk to one of them. आपका नाम?
अमित भाई है।
आप ये इस सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
ये 30 जन महिला की है, इस ग्रुप 30 जन महिला की है और उनमें से हम सेल्समैन है। उनके हम यार हमारा कहना है खाली बनना डिस्ट्रिक्ट ढेंकानाल। हम यहाँ से नहीं बहुत जगह से जाते हैं स्टॉल्स पर। हम यहाँ पर मैंने क्या कही ऐसे ग्रुप की तरफ से सेल्समैन है। मैंने ऐसे 15 साल हो गया ऐसे ये सब आचार करने।
और आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट ढेंकानाल से हैं।
ढेंकानाल से। और ये सब आपका सामान आप लोग क्या क्या बनाते हैं?
अचार, पापड़, बड़ी, मेनली यही तीनों है।
अचार, पापड़
और बड़ी, उड़द दाल का बड़ी होता है वही।
नमस्ते।
चलो जी, आप ढेंकानाल महोत्सव के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
ढेंकानाल महोत्सव पहले से हो रहा था, अभी 8 साल से बंद था। अभी 8 साल के बाद वो अभी शुरू हुआ है। ढेंकानाल महोत्सव एक हमारा ढेंकानाल का एरिया का एक तो महोत्सव है, जहाँ के दूर दूर से हर एक जिले से, मतलब कोई कोई बाहर स्टेट से भी आता है। वो अपना कला दिखाते हैं, वो जो भी है हस्तशिल्प वो दिखाते हैं, और मेला लगता है। लोग यहाँ आते हैं, घूमते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं, मौज मस्ती करते हैं, और कल्चरल प्रोग्राम भी होता है, तो मौज मस्ती करके जाते हैं। ये साल में एक बार होता है हमारा।
8 साल से बंद क्यों हो गया था?
कुछ रीजन के वजह से बंद हुआ था, शायद फाइनेंशियल होगा या फिर कुछ पॉलिटिकल होगा, वो तो हमको मालूम नहीं। लेकिन 8 साल के बाद इस साल शुरू हुआ है, 2026 में शुरू हुआ है।
8 साल के बाद होने के बाद आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बंद था, एक हो रहा था उत्सव हमारा, अभी बंद हो गया, फिर शुरू होगा तो अच्छा लगेगा ना। बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं, मेला लग रहा है, हमको लोग भी बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
और ये महोत्सव होता क्यों है?
ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं है होता क्यों है, हर एक स्टेट का, हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट का होता है। एक तो क्या है कि हर बंदा एक तो एक जगह पे आएगा, थोड़ा सा एंजॉय करेगा, और कला संस्कृति देखा है, कुछ चीज खरीदेगा, कुछ खाएगा पिएगा, ऐसा ही होता है।
And at the front center arena of the ground, cultural programs are taking place alongside Hollywood celebrities' performances.
That's it from our side. This is Vanshika Singh with video journalist Vaishnavi Mishra from IIMC.
As the action now moves to Raipur, Team India are gearing up to face New Zealand in the second T20 today. India are already leading the 5-match series by 1-0 after a solid 48-run win in the opening game at Nagpur. The spotlight will be on captain Suryakumar Yadav, who showed some good signs last match but is still waiting for that big innings. There will also be focus on Ishan Kishan at number 3 as he looks to justify his place with the T20 World Cup coming closer.
Indian film Homebound has missed out on a nomination in the Best International Feature Film category at the 2026 Oscars. Produced by Karan Johar, Apurva Mehta, Adar Punewala and directed by Neeraj. Homebound is based on a 2020 New York Times article and follows the struggles of two friends from marginalized backgrounds during the COVID-19 lockdown. The last Indian film to receive an Oscars nomination in this category was Lagan 2020. That's all for today. Keep watching IMC News. Have a good day.